here's where I'm at with my project. I've got the current 6 click right here, being fed 12 volts, and monitoring it and going down to a programmable load here. It's about a 7 ohm constant resistance load right now. Feeding that, I've got our Arduino running blink. Right now I'm just going straight, I'm not actually blinking it through a relay, but you'll see in a minute what that's doing. I've got my power supply right here, set to 11 volts, and we're getting about 1.5 amps. And here we can see my script in Thonny, and I'm getting 10 volts, 1.5 amps, and about 500 reads per second. And so to demonstrate what it's doing, you can see that this red light is on, which means I'm running the relay right now. It's engaged. And if I come down to my current wires here, I'll just lift this up and you'll see that light go out as soon as there. So as soon as a bad wire is detected. And if we come up here, it says I'm under current, fix your wires. So it's able to detect loose wires. Okay. All right, and the next will be a overcurrent. So the easiest way for me to test this, I can come in here and play with the numbers on here. For me, the easiest way is to just turn this up. And at a certain point, I will go over current, no longer doing anything. And it says shorted wires, and just turn that back down. So it knows that I went over current. So overcurrents and shorts. And now the only other issue is when I move this over to here, and you can see that light coming on and off. And so it's applying and removing that voltage. And you can see on here, it may only get like 1 or 2 readings when it starts up. And we can see this coming on and off. So it's largely working. 1.7 amps to 0 amps. And so for the most part, it works, but occasionally, right there, so that just clicked off, and I get a fix your wires fault. And I can see I had 12 volts, but had 0 amps flowing through it. And I think it was when this relay opens and something goes on in here. I don't know if that's reading too fast, but that's the current status. It's largely working. I just gotta fix that one more major thing.